You want to see how I make $245 in under 5 minutes. This won't take long and will probably change the way you make money forever. This is not some get-rich-quick scheme. This is 100% legit system that serious investors have been using for years. Only now, thanks to the internet, we can use it too. But I said this won't take long. So let me show you live how I make $245 in 5 minutes while you're watching. I'll show you how simple it is, and you'll be able to use it time and time again. So this is one of the few accounts that I have in Single Finance. Here's my balance. And let's go to the 60 seconds tab here. We have different currencies we can choose from, and let's see. Maybe I'll choose Euro or US dollar. This is the currency rate, 1.31093, and as you can see, it changes all the time. This graph shows the history of what's been happening for the last hour. But what I'll do is focus on current rate for a few moments. You can invest as little as $5, but I feel quite confident, so I'll go to say 100 for the potential payout is $7. Let's have a look at the rate. Going up a little bit, nothing dramatic is happening. So let's wait a bit longer, and I think it'll go up over the next 60 seconds. Click call. If you think it'll go down, click put. It's still going up. Remember, it was 93. And I believe it'll keep rising. I will click call, then confirm, and let's wait to see what happens within the next minute or so. The entry rate was 101, now it's lower, and that's why the bar is now red. But we still have some 40 seconds left, and it's green now, which means I'm doing okay. Half a minute left, and where it was just 101, it's gone up to 114. 20 seconds and still rising. Looks like the payout of $170 is quite close. 10 seconds. Looks nice. And success. $70 for the 60 seconds of hard work. Not bad. A good start, so let's up the ante. $250 let's do. I think it's going up so high, and it's now time for it to probably start sliding. Yep, I'm sure it will, so put confirm, and we're waiting. The entry was 108. Now it's 111, but there's still time. It's green. Payout of about $425 in 40 seconds sounds really nice. There's about half a minute left, and it's looking pretty good here. We're at 23 seconds. Going down toward 15. Still looking pretty good for us. At 4:25. At 10 seconds. Still looking pretty good. 5. Well, looks like we did it again. 1, 0. Yes, we won. $175 and $70 make exactly $245 profit in just a few minutes.
So what do you think? Pretty cool, huh? $245 in less than 5 minutes. And you can repeat this again and again. Can you make this kind of money this quick? Sure. Now you can. Everyone can. And the best part is, you need no knowledge or experience at all. It's never been this easy. So, don't waste any more time. Click the link I've put for you below and start making serious money now.
Dollars